Welcome guys, long time no see. No, I meant I haven't done a video in a while. So let's get right into it. Today I'll try something different. I'll try to fix this Fujitsu Siemens Lifebook. It has a fault that it will only turn on if you apply some pressure on the keyboard or on the back of the device. So I think it could be a loose connection or a bad solder joint, so let's see. Actually, do I need to loosen them? I don't think so. Okay, let's have a look. It will. Separate. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's still connected. Just remove the CD-ROM drive. Do you have a look if something? Okay, there are two more screws. Tiny screws. So I think we're good now. Let's see, okay, that comes right off. Yeah, that worked. Let's have a look. I think I have to, okay, yes. It works. Okay, nice. This should be the power button. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now we have the keyboard. Let's have a look. Okay, so I think it reacted when I pressed in that area, so that clearly doesn't make sense because here's nothing. I've actually read that this is a common problem with these series actually, and it's supposed to be the power controller, and it should work if I reflow that, so let's give it a try. So it's supposed to be under the CPU, so give it a shot. So these one are slightly shorter than the exterior one, so I have to be careful when reassembling. Okay, I think it's supposed to be that little square chip here. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've got here a SMD rework station. I've actually never used it, so this is my first attempt. I might kill the board, but yeah, I'll try to reflow that chip and let's see. Okay, first I'll apply some flux. Now try to heat that chip and let's see. Okay, here I got interrupted and needed to stop the recording. And because I thought the solder might not have melted completely, I went over it again off camera. And as you can see, it will start now. So I might do a video about this Lifebook in the future. Maybe about reactors on it. Let's see. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.